Part 5, T and TH. The T in Vietnamese is very different to the T in English. In English, the T is explosive, which means you have the wind coming out at the end when you pronounce this, like t, t, t. In Vietnamese, it's not. It's an inexplosive sound. So it's the tờ, tờ. Okay, let's practice with the T. We have tên, tên, tuổi, tuổi, tốt, tốt, tư, tư, từng, từng. And the last one, tươi, tươi. Remember, do not make the explosive sound. Try to cut off the wind. Sounds like it's between the T and the D. Tờ, tờ. Now with TH. Basically, there are two letters, means you're going to have to pronounce them at the same time. T is still the same principle. You try to make the t sound, but you breathe out with the H. So we have tờ, h, tờ, h, thờ, thờ. Okay? So for example, let's practice with these words. We have thấy, thấy, thơm, thơm, thương, thương, thích, thích, thật, thật. And the last one, thôi, thôi. Okay? Now let's practice to see which word I'm saying. I have the first one is tư and the second thư. Listen to see which one I'm saying. I have thư, thư. Which one is it? It is the TH. Very good. Next one I have is thêm, thêm. Listen. Thêm, thêm. Is it the T or the TH? It is the TH. There you go. Next one we have is tốt, thốt. Listen. Tốt, tốt. Which one is it? It's only the T. Very good. Next one we have is tương, thương. Which one I'm saying? Thương, thương. So I'm saying the TH. Last one. Tam, tham. Which one I'm saying? Tam, tam. It's the first one, only the T. Very good. Let's do a little bit more difficult. I will just say a word and you have to guess which one I'm saying. No words in advance. First one I say is tên, tên. Only T or T with a H? It's only T. Very good. Next one we have is thấy, thấy is TH. Next one we have is tươi, tươi. Only T. Very good. Next one we have tham, tham is a TH. And the last one we have is thích, thích is TH. Very good. So remember, with the T in Vietnamese, it's an inexplosive sound, which means you do not try to breathe out when you say this one. Try to cut off the wind. Tờ, tờ. TH, in contrast, you actually need to breathe out a little bit with this one. Is thờ, thờ. Again, we have tên, thêm, tên, thêm. Okay? Thanks for listening. I hope you had a good time and see you in the next lesson. Cảm ơn. Hẹn gặp lại.